BioNEET. This is Sheikh Altaf. Today, all of you know that All India NEET result is declared by 4 p.m. and the exam is conducted by 13th September of 2020. And due to endemic conditions that some of the students they reappear the exam, they give a chance to that 2020, that is October 12th, 14th, and after this they give the result. So you know all of you that the result total students appear in that NEET examination 14.47 lakhs of students appear the NEET examination, and Supreme Court given that All India they conduct only one exam, that is called NEET. Previously they conducted that exam by that AIMS, JEPMAR and state level examination, but nowadays they given there only one common examination, that is NEET examination. So if you are appear and you qualify, means you can get the result throughout the India. For previously what happened, counseling was done by especially that MCI means Medical Counseling of India. So Medical Council of India, previously they done the counseling, but now the change to new committee. That committee is called NMC, means National Medical Commission. So now they given that NTA they given that relaxation to that this year NEET admission for the medical colleges and dental colleges. So what the relaxation means? Very simply, he said that those who are get 50% or more than 50% of marks in NEET examination, they will get the definite seat in All India medical colleges and dental colleges. And criteria, they again they divided for OBC and scheduled caste, that is scheduled tribe, ST and OBC, they given that 45 marks. That it means 45% of marks. Those who are getting 45% of marks, there is chance to get the NEET seat in All India medical colleges, that is for OBC and ST. Then you come to that SSC and you come to the ST, scheduled tribe. Scheduled tribe they get 40%. 40% out of 720 means just like 300 marks. Those students are getting 300 marks in NEET examination, and category is going to that scheduled tribe. They will definitely get that All India medical seat. For here they given, suppose the both students getting the same marks, how to get the rank system, they just again divide. How they divide means, for example, both the students they got that 700 marks, and out of the two students, who will get the first rank and who will get the second? For first criteria, they will give that out of these two students, those who are getting 700 marks, who out of these two, who will secure more marks in botany and zoology, he will get that first rank. Then next, like that, suppose both will get the same marks in botany and zoology. Then come the second step to selection methods. What the selection for second methods? Those out of these two students who will get more marks in chemistry, he will give the first ranks. Then next, suppose both will get the same marks in chemistry also. Then third criteria, they will find out that out of these two students who will committed less incorrect options or incorrect answers, is finalized for that rank after second. So out of this, suppose both will be same, then last and final, for example, in our India, that is NEET examination 2020, the both students they got the 100% result. So out of the two students, one is from Alliance Series, that from Orissa, the name is called Aftab, and another is that Akanksha Singh. So Akanksha Singh she belongs to the Delhi, and she is from Akash, and Aftab belongs to that Alliance Series. Both they got the 720 marks. Now you decide that out of these two students, who will get the first rank All India NEET examination. So here the last criteria, what they done means, suppose they will got the same marks and in all 100% results, and they find out that out of these two students, who is older in age, is finalized for that first ranks. So these are the criteria for the selection, if both are getting or the students are getting the same marks, and for that selection of the ranks. So now that this year onwards, there is only one common examination, that is NEET to getting the throughout the India medical colleges. Previously, what happened means AIMS they conducted separately entrance examination for medical test, and JIPMAR they conducted separately that entrance examination for admission in the medical colleges, and state level they conducted different states different entrance test. But now these all together they form only the Supreme Court given the decision for that. NEET is only one examination which can eligible for the admission of throughout the India any medical colleges. So here the chances are very good chances for the all India. We discussed the state level. So state level, every state they given the 15% of reservation, all India reservation, those who are coming from the other state, and remaining percentage they will give the selection from that own medical college from that own state. So here the state wise I am saying that 15% reservation chances is to get the all India seat to you. And next you come to that merit list, they find out that 3 categories are there. The first category is AIR merit, and the second category is that AIQ, and the third category is state level. So according to the categories they will find out the through all India merit list in a NEET examination. So all the best. Thank you.